Hi, this is Rishad here, and today I am going to configure IPSEC between Fortinet and Juniper XRX. XRX I will configure through CLI, and Fortinet I will configure through GUI. So as you can see here, Fortinet WAN IP address is 1.1 and XRX WAN IP address 2.2.2/24, and LAN subnet 10.0 and 20.0 this side. So first, I would like to show you whether I am able to ping the WAN IP address or not. I'm in XRX and I'm pinging 2.2. Fortinet IP address 1. Yeah, I'm able to ping, and Fortinet I'm going to execute and check this 2.2.2.2. Yeah, I'm able to ping. So and you can see here the IPSEC configuration for XRX. So this is the phase 1, and this is the phase 2, and this is the policy for IPSEC, and this is the tunnel interface, which one I'm using st0.1. So I will write static routing as well for the specific subnet, and this is the Fortinet. So let's start the now configuration. Okay, so I'm in XRX now, and set and interface name st0 unit 1 family inet address, and I'm using 122.31.1.1/30. you can give set security zone, and this interface I want to put in the some zone, and I have the zone name is FG VPN. So FG VPN, and interface, which interface I want to assign in this zone, ST, this interface. So I will start the configuration for IPSEC. So set security and IK proposal, and proposal name you can give. I'm giving the name Ph1 FG, and authentication method I want to use method pre-share key, and then I have to define the Diffie-Hellman group. So DH group and group number 2. Same thing I have to do in the Fortinet. So authentication method I am going to use authentication method SAR1 I'm using here, and encryption method I'm going to use dash. Okay, lifetime, if you want to assign the lifetime, it's okay, and if you are not assigning, that's also okay. So lifetime I'm giving a maximum 86400, and then I have to write the which mode I want to use. So IK proposal is over, and policy will start. Policy PH1 minus policy FG. This is the name actually, and encryption mode I'm using main mode, so not aggressive I'm using, and I have to call proposal here. So proposals name, this is already call, and pre-share key, and what pre-share key I am using Cisco *123. Then I have to define the gateway. So again I have to go remove and IK gateway, and gateway name gateway FG, and I have to call policy here, and policy name, if you will question mark, then ph policy will come here, and I have to assign the address. External interface is G0 by 0 by 1, and address, which address? This address I am going to form, so 1.1.1.1, and version, if you want to define, it's okay, version v1 only. Phase 1 is done. So if you want to communicate, you can commit the configuration, but I'm going to do phase 2 as well. Set security IPSEC proposals Ph2, I'm giving the name Ph2 FG, and protocol I want to use ESP, encapsulation security payload. So, and authentication method same, hmac SHA-1, and encryption I'm using dish, and lifetime lifetime 86400, and yeah, done. I have to do phase 2 policy, phase 2 policy, and give the policy name. If you will question mark, then you will have to give the policy name. So ph2 policy FG. This is the name, and policy name security group number 2 I am giving. And I have to call here proposal and proposal PS2. I'm calling proposal 2 here. Okay, done. And I have to bind the interface. VPN, give the name VPN FG. Bind interface ST0.1. And again I have to do IK gateway, and I have to call phase 1 gateway. So phase 1 gateway, it will come automatically, and IK FG, and IK IPSEC policy, and IPSEC policy name is PS2. So done here, and now I have to do I have to create the object group. So set security address book. In SRX, address book is the object group. I mean object, and you can call it object group as well. So I'm giving book 1 name is the book 1 and address, and LAN 2 is the name, address, and give the address. So 192.168.168.LAN 2, so 20.0/24. This is the one LAN subnet, and this set security address book and book 1 attach with the interface, trust zone, attach zone trust. This subnet is attached with the trust zone, and set security book 2 address, and address 2 would be FG LAN 192.168.10.0/24, and set security address book 2 attached with, this will be attached with the VPN tunnel interface. So FG zone, and here you can see FG VPN. Set security flow and TCP IPSEC 1350. I need to type the security, set security policy from trust to zone FG policy SRX FG match source address, and source address you can see here LAN 2, destination address FG LAN, application I need to do any, match application any, and for reverse traffic I have to do set security policy from, this time FG VPN to zone trust policy FG, it's a name, this is the FG SRX is the name, match source address, and you can question mark now FG destination address LAN 2 application any. Oh, I missed one line, actually I have to application any, and then permit I have to do, then permit and commit. It's done. I am going to SRX. So here first I have to go in the VPN IPSEC, create. There is a multiple way, site to site. but here option is remote device type. So Cisco I'm not here, I'm using the SRX. So just do in the custom one and give SRX VPN. You can give any name, and here address would be 2.2.xrx address, xrx 2.2.2.2, and interface, outside interface is 3. So outside interface is 3. Net traversal should be disabled, we are not going to use. So actually what Cisco asterisk 123 I have given the pre-share, mode should be 1, and encryption I was using DES, and authentication I was using SRX1, and group number I was using 2, so remove. And here LAN subnet 192.168.10.0/24 is the my LAN subnet, and remote LAN subnet is 192.168.20.0/24, and I have to keep the phase 2. So phase 2 I also use same, or I need to check again. Phase 2 7 and the same I have used the algorithm and authentication. So we are done. Group 2, and it's done now I have to write the policy for both traffic. So this is not, this is a different policy actually. SRX FG incoming is incoming from LAN. So incoming LAN interfaces and for incoming destination would be SRX VPN. Source I'm giving all, destination all, service all, net disable, session all, done. For reverse traffic I am going, so FG SRX, so this time SRX port 4 source all, and you can do specific subnet as well. So I'm not going to do, actually I have not created this object, that's why net disable and session all, it's done. And I have to write the policy static routing, static route. I'm going to create 192.168.20. so this time I have to move to the tunnel interface. So I want to reach this subnet, so I'm giving the static route and go through the tunnel. Then now it should come up now. Go in monitor, IPSEC, and bring up. Something I missed, or no, but tunnel is not up. I need to check. So display set, I'm checking the SRX. So actually I need to check VPN IPSEC. Yeah, here it's showing up. Why it's not showing up here? Yeah, SRX up, I mean IPSEC VPN is up. Now I want to show actually our LAN subnet is communicating or not. so that's the most important. So here I will go in this LAN. I'm using the router actually in the LAN. It's looking like okay. Take time, and I want to show whether any log and anything, any VPN. No log. Okay. So IPINT brief. Okay. Actually, I'm in this here. This is the router actually. So I'm pinging 192.168.20.1. It's a gateway. It's pingable. So I'm going to ping 10.1. Wow. Because of I have not configured static route in SRX. Okay, that may be a one reason. So edit routing option. You can see what is the here only one static route. Set static route 192.168.10.0/24 and next hop would be st0.1 and need to commit. Okay, and before I'm in this 20.20. Here I want to go here, enable show IPI. Okay, ping 192.168.10.1. Okay, I'm not able to ping this because of the IP address. So IPINT BRIF 10.10. I'm trying to ping 10.1. 10.1 is the gateway. 10.1, but it's not pingable. Okay, leave it. So better I want to check from here. Now I'm able to ping 10.1 or not. Yes, I'm able to ping repeat 1000 times. Okay, and I want to show the traffic on tunnel. Go monitor IPSEC Vpn. Yeah, you can see 50 kb and 66 75 means traffic is moving through tunnel. And in SRX you will go and you can check whether tunnel is up or not. Exit. So security IKE security association. Yeah, you can see tunnel is up and IPSEC IKE IPSEC or IPSEC security association. Yeah, you can see port number 500 and protocol ESP and Ph1 DSA and all, everything is fine. Okay, but I'm not able to ping this IP address. Set no set ping 192.168.10.1 and still I'm not able to ping. Why it's not reason? But anyway, our communication is happening. Actually I'm not able to ping from here to here, but our traffic is this from this subnet, it's reaching to this subnet. Actually I have given that. If you will do here, I'm in this router, and what I did here, actually I'm pinging 192.168.10.1, and 10.1 is here, 10.10 is here, but I'm able to hear, means our traffic is moving through the tunnel. There is no issue with that, and you can see in the FortiGate as well as in SRX. Look, tunnel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will come with another video, another topic. It may be a very interesting topic, it will be. Thank you so much.